And there's one other thing I have noticed, that whenever I ride this bike, oh. Well, hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you are watching Vish the Weekender. So today I have decided to have my Xpulse 200 seat modified. So recently when I went on a short ride, I felt like, you know, the seat of this bike should be a bit more softer, so that, you know, I can travel longer distances. So today that is the plan. I'm going to have, you know, one of the layers added to the seat and maybe, make it a bit wider. So I'm going to go to one of the shop vendors and see and ask for his suggestions and see how it is going to be a softer seat. All right. Okay, so the temperature is climbing up in Hyderabad. We are entering into the summer of this year, so it's going to be hotter days. All the colder days are gone, so I have actually planned all the travels accordingly. Police, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come get you? So one of the reasons, like, you know, I wanted to modify the seat, because it's been like not even 15 minutes I'm riding this bike, I'm already feeling the burn. So my old bike, the Pulsar 150 DTSI, I had modified the seat on that one. The material which was used was latex on that. Not sure if that was the right material to be used to increase the softness of a seat, but it was okay. But right now I'm planning to have, you know, that, you know, the foam what we use on the sofas. I'm planning to have that material to be used on my bike seat. But the other concerns, getting the foam installed on the bike, would be when it rains, it, you know, holds the water, and you know what happens when there's water on your seat and you sit on it. So that's going to be an unpleasant experience. I'll talk to the vendor and see what he has to say about it. And there's one other thing I have noticed, that whenever I ride this bike, oh. Okay, so work here is complete, and I'm now going to have the seat on my bike modified. Feeling nice when that wind gets into the shirt. Oh man, it's so hot. It's going to be like 4 months every year in India, and temperature rises so much that, you know, the tar on the road starts to melt. Yeah, I've seen videos where, you know, people walking on the melted tar and their footwear getting stuck into that. So not a pleasant experience. Just need to cross this stretch of, you know, congested roads just to get onto the broader roads and reach my destination much quicker. And before I decided to go to this place to modify the seat, I've inquired with a couple of vendors here close to my home, but they couldn't, or they didn't have the material to extend the seat. So I had to go to this place, which is kind of hub or the location to get the modification done on your vehicles. And one other things, like the reasons I wanted to extend the seat, I also wanted to increase the height, because I know the seat was made or designed for off-roading and all, but when you're touring on this bike, the seat kind of pushes you forward and you constantly have to adjust yourself to find that the comfort spot. I think increasing the height of the seat would help be on that comfort spot constantly. I hope that makes sense. I was able to find a shop and I explained what I was actually looking for. He understood and began to work on it. He pulled out an old seat foam. I was like, "Are you serious?" But it looked like he knew what he was actually doing. All of a sudden, he started to scratch the brand new stock seat. As soon as he placed that old seat foam on the stock seat, I was like, there's no way I'm sitting on that huge seat. He then carefully designed it according to his imagination. He applied some glue and made sure to stick it properly. He kept working on it to bring it to a shape. It was taking shape which I had imagined. At this point, after looking at it, I got worried about the comfort. However, he started to cut it and started to scratch it again, and that's when I realized that it was not complete yet. After test fitting it, he decided to add one more layer. Sometime later, close to the finish, it looked neat. And then it was time to season it with some leather. Ooh, that looks so nice. Alright friends, so that was it. So I got the seat installed on this bike, and I'd say the height has increased by like 4 inches, I believe. It's comfortable right now. The feel is very nice on this new seat. So right now I feel like I'm sitting on a throne. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. Please check my other videos as well. There is a link to the playlist in the description below. Do subscribe to my channel so that you guys can come along with me on all these awesome journeys. And also please select the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications of every video which I upload. I appreciate you guys for spending your precious time for watching the videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.